Baccha party. Hi, how are you all? Today's topic is alphabets and words. Let's revise the alphabets first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow! Now we will learn how to make words with the help of alphabets. Hi all, I'm A. And A for apple. A, P, P, L, E. Apple. Hey, I'm B. And B for ball. B, A, L, ball. I'm shy. I'm C. C for C, A, T, cat.
I am D. Where is she?
D for doll. Oh, where I am? In which world? D, O, L, doll. E for eyes. Oh, I forgot to tell who am I. I am E. E, Y, E, S. Eyes. Hi, I'm F. And F for fan. F, A, N, fan. I don't need to tell you who am I. G for G, O, A, T, goat. Good morning. I'm H. H, E, N, hen. Cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
Hey, I'm two. I am I. C, E, ice. I am J. J, U, G, jug. Hi, I'm K. I'm so excited. K, I, T, E, kite. I am the king. L, I, O, N, lime. M here. I love cheese. M, O, U, S, E, mouse. Oh, someone is behind me. I have to go. Bye-bye. Bye. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Next video on 7th January.